Peace, love, and light. This is probably one of the quickest videos of film. Right now, just getting ready to take my dog out. You hear him crying in the background because he has to go potty. And I'm getting ready to go take him outside. I decided to open up the window. And I open up the window. Who do I freaking see? The narcissist, my biological father. He freaking moves his car to the other side of the building in order to camp out. And look, like why he's the only time he's ever parked out here is to see which room I was in before, and I was like a month ago or probably 2 now, but now he's parked over on this side now. And he's there. And this is after when Chantal, his sister-in-law, which is his wife's sister, has sent the police over for a wellness check. That bitch doesn't care about my wellness. This is Narcissistic Hoover, ladies and gentlemen. Shoot, I wish I could flip the camera. It's whatever. I don't even want to give him that much attention. He's a freaking faggot anyways. But I am still got to go take my dog out. Don't worry, boy. I'm taking you outside. Grabbing my hoodie, my coat, because it is cold. But yeah. Check out the links in the description. Keep you guys updated. Daily uploads, like I said. Peace, love, and light.